Okay, guys, we are back at it, and we are about to talk about the top gainers for the pre-market. I'll tell you right now that the markets are looking to come in for a lot more bearishness today. Things are turning out bad with the tariffs. You got big whales leaving out of stuff. Tech industries are all dumping out. They're not believing in America. China is taking lead. It's a whole lot of stuff going on right now, literally. It's a full-on economical war, trade war that's unfolding right now. If you want to know more, check out my last video. Now, what we're going to have happen here in this trading week, in today's trading markets especially, is we're going to start to see news coming up about the tariffs, about the other countries and whatnot retaliating to those tariffs, all that stuff like that. And this is going to add to bearish sentiment. Why? Because fear, because the uncertainties lead to fear, and fear leads to selling. We can already see the futures are dumping right now. It's getting very bearish, man. You know, so if you've already been in the markets for so long, you already know how you trade and how these things do. You've been keeping up with the Bank Billy videos. You're not really worried about too much because you know exactly how to move. You know exactly where to place your stop losses and whatnot. For newer traders, might not yet understand. Here goes some of the news we're talking about right here. Canada appears to have misunderstood the language in Trump's executive order. Trump tariffs trigger stocks slump. Dollars rise on trade war fears. It's about to be crazy. But we do still got a few stocks that are starting to get bullish in this morning's trading session. Things like HCWB going from 20 cents all the way up to 86 cents. A little quite bullish right now on HCWB. And they are still holding up here on Biologics, granted FDA clearance to evaluate lead one of the company's lead product candidates in first human phase 1 clinical trial. Very bullish news to come out on a health stock and or a biotech stock. Uh, so this is most likely finna shoot up right now. I mean, it's at the top of the list, and right now it already got 25 million in value. Like if you look at the ones under this got 13 million. The one under that got 1 million, almost 1 million. So people are gonna rally most to HCWB. This is as well coming off of its 52-week lows for an easy bull run. And when the markets open up, everything might just be more bearish, man. Like right now, you see in the last trading day what the effects that the markets are already feeling from it. Those effects are going to be stronger today. And remember, you don't have to trade every day. You don't got to trade all the time. You just sit back and you trade some of the time, and catch what you can, and all that. Don't do too much. Sit back and wait. But nonetheless, though, me myself, I'm still about to do what it do. I'm gonna still go for our usual crypto trades along with the alerts I'm gonna be put out in my section. I'm gonna still go for our usual IWMs and spies and stuff like that. I'm gonna put out in my section, and you can already see that the coaches are up as well early morning already, putting out what they are going for along in a section. Make sure that excuse me, you are seeing everything in time and follow along. UOKA. You don't see this stock too often. Was this in the? I don't think this was did a ticker change or something. Let me see. It had to. Pretty sure. Maybe it didn't. You don't see this stock. Yeah, you don't see this stock too often. UOKA. Oh, so what is this? This is a uh the company operates through its subsidiaries. Ming the Jing T Ming the Jing and Mansions Catering and Hotel. See, I see. Let's go look on a bigger time frame. What they do, what do they? Okay, a big. Oh, they haven't been out for long. That's all. Like you don't see this. Oh, well, they've been out 2019, I guess. Either way, they don't sold from $7 all the way down to 12 cents. They already recovering right now. It's recovery from 12 cents up to 46 cents. So they looking to build support right here. That'd be good if they can. This is the big test. That's a big test. They can do it right here. We on a 15-minute chart. That's just too often. I'm not gonna be messing with this one. I am still as well holding in on some swing trades that we got into at the end of last week. Looking to get bulls this week. And keep in mind, if you are holding in on anything, like I say, I'll reiterate, I said about 3, 4 times now, the markets are they're going to take a bearish formation. In the next video, I'm going to go update over on the main channel. I'm going to talk about the IWMs, the QQQs, and options, and all that stuff like that. We're here on JHRS. So on JHRS, it's already at $20. They got options. They got options. I'll probably get some put options in there for real, for real. They probably be selling right back off to about $12. And that was a natural thing. This is another biopharmaceutical. They got news. They do. They got shows promising results in TRD phase 2B trial. Y'all see, it's been a lot of health in therapeutic stocks, right? That's been coming out with all kinds of news and stuff like that lately. I think it's that time for biotechs. But REBN, or Reborn Coffee, we've seen Reborn Coffee come in for many moves before, moves similar to this. They go from $1 up to $8. They don't really hold up when they do it. I can show you back on a bigger time frame, times that they have done it. Going from exactly there of that $1 range where it exploded from. This was a multi-day bull run, REBN, all the way up to exactly where it's going down now, about $5. Ooh, big bear since around $5. That's a big range to go to break past. But they can do it though. They can do it though. Only go back down to about $6, and people gonna be looking to go in for another round. Look at it. They going in off of that big dip that came in. Look at this 1 minute chart. They're gonna be excited to go for that. This like what a whole market's crashing down. If they believe in anything, they believe in coffee. But average value of 1.11 million. They got a current value of 5.53 million and a current free float of 2.07 million on REBN and XUF. B hat. They go from 3 cents up to about 7 cents. They sell all the way back off to that 5 cent range, so they get excited to buy again. It's only at 5 cent. B hat is easy to come in for another bull run, and they can really have a super explosion. They are getting ready to have a reverse split, I believe, on B hat. I mean, wait, look, man, they down here. They have 5 cents. You already know they're getting ready to do a split somewhere up in there. I can't find the news in there right now. They probably haven't even announced it. But that is something to be expecting with a stock out of compliance around these cents. They either finna do a reverse split or they finna get delisted. Or they finna come in with a super piece of news right now that's finna send them all the way back to the moon. But when it's volatility, they get up to 20 million. If more people notice this, then, you know, it could explode. Could explode. It's just a few of the stocks that are exploding here in the pre-market. Really, the only 5 stocks exploding in the pre-market. We are, of course, all holding on our own individual things. So, whatever stocks that you are holding in, make sure that you remember your stop loss. If today starts to turn extra bearish from the tariffs and y'all seeing that Canada news and all that stuff like that, it'll be things. Sometimes it's just time for the bears turn, because everybody gets their turn, the bulls and the bears, and things make their rounds of bullishness and their rounds of bearishness. And if I show you, remind you about these stocks and these markets and BTC and all of that on your bigger chart trading time frames, like your weekly charts, they are overbought right now, man. They are looking to have pull back. Somebody was telling me the other day that these things take 4 year spans or something like that. 4 years of bulls and 4 years of bearishness. I've probably only been in the market about 5, 6 years now. So I guess I probably only done seen I probably only seen bullishness. But we'll see how everything go up in the markets today. I'll see y'all on the next video on the main channel, updating the options and the conditions. I'll see y'all there. Happy trade.